This ended up being one of those days where I'm so happy that I put tint on and curled my eyelashes because it's like 6 o'clock in the evening and I didn't do anything else. I didn't even brush out my curls. I went for a hot tub and enjoyed the sunshine. Jane is just finishing her birthday nap. I thought, and look at her amazing surprise! We have some music that's going to happen. So the theme of this makeup is going to be gorgeous and special, but still, you know, kind of quick. I'm gonna start with eye, even though I obviously have eye cream on from before.
No alcohol. Cat's water. No.
I'm gonna add just a little bit of tint on top.
It's okay. On YouTube.
Let's do a little bit of caramel,
So, gin and tonic.
just to give myself some sculpting, especially because I'm still trying to ration my tint. So I Okay, so for this look, I'm going to do Mulberry Glow Pearl Stick and Pyrite eyeliner. And I'm obviously going to start with Pearl Stick because I'm going to sparkle and shine throughout the entire night. And I want to make sure that I look well rested because after Jane gets up from her nap, she's going to look like a well-rested angel. The birthday angel that she is. And on my eyelids. And then I'm going to use Pyrite as eyeshadow because I know you guys know that I don't really wear eyeshadow normally. I find this much easier. So just a little mushy right on the ends. 2 seconds and then I'll just use my finger. So pretty, and just like my eye pops. Okay, that is so pretty, and I feel like I haven't worn makeup all week, but look how beautiful that is. Oh, that's bright, but I want you to see. Simple, beautiful, 2 seconds, and I'm ready to party, just like these guys are ready to party. Mulberry Glow. Just a little something on my lips. And then I'll also use that as blush. It looked so pretty on Mum yesterday when she put it on. And I was like, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I love it when I get inspired by seeing it on someone else. That's why I love doing these videos. Oh, I have a lot of Pearl Stick on, so I'll just rub that in a little bit more. I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzer just to set my makeup. Give me a little bit more contouring and also be a nice contrast for all of this Pearl Stick I just threw on. Alright, I do feel like I need a little bit of something like concealer. We've been having lots of fun and staying up. So I'm just going to use a little bit of vanilla right under my eye. Like a little stamp. And especially if you're wearing eyeliner, it's important that everything's nice and brightened underneath the eye, or else it can have a tendency to kind of highlight your under eyes and make you look more tired, which is definitely not the look I'm going for. Then let's do some powder, the Charlotte Tilbury powder. I'm number 2. And because I just powdered over my beautiful, subtle Mulberry Glow cheeks, I'll do just a touch of rose gold. And you know that when I use this for my blush, it's because I'm trying to do something fast. Alright, that looks good. Let's just do some eyebrows. get them framed. Not very much, just a little touch. Tuk tuk tuk. Both sides. Might be time to get the tweezers out. I can see a few errant hairs in there. But I always find you can't really tell that much if you use some brow gel. Doesn't really matter. Mascara! And because I used curl this morning, my eyelashes are still nice and awake and curled.
J'ai dit, vous allez voir à la